mo?
Nanumbalik ang kaba.
Pero gusto ko na sabihin na ang ganda ng duet ng dalawa. Kasi, Lois, may tinatago ko pa ng lakas, power. Tsaka sobrang nag-match yung timbre ninyong dalawa. Ang ganda. Pakinggan natin ang ating Clash panel. Ano po masasabi ninyo?
Hi, Lois!
Hello po.
And syempre, hi, Naya! What's up? Lois, grabe yung pag-intro mo dun sa song. Buong-buo agad yung boses mo. And this song is about unconditional love and commitment. At naramdaman ko sa'yo yung naging committed ka throughout your whole performance. And naging committed ka sa pag-connect mo with your partner, which is si Naya. And meron pa palang mas mabibigay na power yung boses mo. So, congratulations! Ang galing yung dalawa.
Thank you po.
Yung song nyo is song ng SB19, yung Hanggang sa Huli, which is na-pull off nyo ng maayos, ng napakaganda yung song. Ang masasabi ko lang, dun sa mga solo parts mo, feeling ko mas ipakita mo pa sana kasi yun yung chance mo para ma-showcase yung boses mo, na yung strength mo is yung chest voice, na yun talaga yung i-work on mo pa. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa.
Hey guys! Naya, I'm so proud of where you are now. Congratulations sa lahat. And grabe yung duet yung dalawa. Talagang from start to finish, I saw how Naya supported the whole song and Lois from start to finish. Thank you for that. Things to improve. So, Naya is a seasoned singer already. So, minsan sa dulo, kailangan ma-match nyo. It goes for all of you, lahat ng kaduet nyo. Maririnig namin talaga yung distinction later on in the end. Kung sino yung ma-match pa rin ang kanilang energy and tone and stability. So that always has to be in mind na hindi parang, hindi magaling na tong kasama ko eh. Ikaw na bahala dyan. Pero dahil duet pa rin to, kailangan talagang constantly you are holding each other's hand. Meron lang a little shake in the dulo, Lois. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Clash panel. Points taken. And thank you, of course, Lois and Naya. That was such a great job. Up next, ready nang lumaban ng Dream Collab na Hannah at Jessica mula sa Team Blazing Gen Z. At magpapasiklab na sila after ng break dito lang sa The Clash Teens. Isa, laban sa lahat!